Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to view hidden files in Cpanel. One of my subscribers was asking me in the comments how to view the files because he was not able to view all the files on the Cpanel and fix his website. So it's very easy. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, we are right now inside our Cpanel. We are our Chrome browser. So I'll quickly log into my Cpanel, and once I'm inside my Cpanel account, just go to File Manager. So this is where you'll keep all the server files and all the website data. So you can see we only have limited files here, and which is very simple, and all the files will be under public_html. So to view all the files, you just need to click on this button over here that says settings, and just check this option, show hidden files .files, and click on save. And that's it. It will start fetching all the files. So that way you will have all the files. Like if you're not able to view your .htaccess file or any other WP configuration file or any file of your choice that you're not able to find to edit or to make some changes to your website, this is how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.